Hello everyone, I am Shweta and welcome to my channel Analytics by Shweta. In today's video, we will see positive negative charts. If you see, we have the various months and we have the head count for 2 years for each of these months. And then we have the percentage difference from 2022 to 2021. And if you see, a chart represents it. So the green is a positive difference and the red is a negative difference. That is, if it's green, it means that there was an increase from as compared to 2021. And if you see red, it means there is a decrease as compared to 2021. So if you see the first one, we have increased by 12%. So 12% comes over here. And if you come here, you see it was 350, it became 283. So there was a 19% reduce. So if you see 19% is over here. So let's go ahead and create this chart. We go to our working sheet. We calculate the difference percentage. The difference percentage is the 2022 value minus the 2021 value, and we divided by the 2021 value. Let's drag the formula down. So currently we have our percentages. So you'll select this and you'll select your percent. You'll go to insert and you insert a column chart. So we get a chart over here. If you see, the axis is over here, so you do format axis. In labels, you say low. So it comes at the bottom. Let us just delete the grid lines and let us just delete the y-axis over here. We go to format data series and we reduce the gap width so that it is a little bit thicker. Next we go to fill, and over here where it says invert if negative, and then we select our color. So the first color is green and the second color is red. So we have written invert if negative and we get two color options over here. So the first color is for the positive and the second color is for the negative. Next, go and add the data labels. So if you see, we have our data labels here. Just select bold and black. Let us also darken this a little bit. Let us remove the title for now. If you see, we get the chart where we have the positive differences and the negative differences. Let us increase 2021. So now if you see, we have a reduction because 2021 was 450 and 2022 is 300. So we have a 33% decrease. So the column comes at the bottom portion and it is in red. Since we have done invert if negative, it is inverting the colors if it is negative. So this is how you create a positive negative chart in Excel. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell for more updates. Thank you for your time and have a nice day.